Huh?
Somebody's hanging out over there.
You want your sunnies? You probably do. You don't want them?
Nah. You recording this one?
I don't know. Should I?
Yeah.
See how it goes on this one.
Seems like they're taking the day off.
Oh man, it's nice out, dude.
Yeah.
I think that ball's gone. Yeah. Yep, ball's gone.
Yep.
Probably went down that gutter.
Yeah. From the rain.
Hi. Hey, don't do torpedo. Dang, dude, why are you trying to hit that car? Why are you trying to hit that car, dude? I know, I was just kidding. You doing some stand-up practice? Oh yeah. Nice. You know what I mean? Hi! Julie, you gotta say hi. Hey, you gotta say hi.
I didn't know she was there.
You heard her? All you gotta do is say hi.
She said it, but then I looked over.
Oh boy.
I didn't have enough time to say it though.
Yes, you did. I did.
It's because you saw her.
I didn't see her. I heard her.
Yeah, you heard her. I was ahead of her.
Hey, let's practice. I'm gonna be her. Hi. See?
It's because you were closer to me. That's why.
Whatever, dude.
You don't even know about one.
Whatever, dude. I got a lot to learn about you saying hi, huh? You coming?
Yeah. Stop.
You're stopping?
Yeah.
You got an itch?
Yeah.
Did you get it? What?
That one.
Isn't what that way?
Where we're going.
What do you mean? Where are we going?
That one place where me and Grandma always
Where'd you and Grandma always go? I don't know where you guys went.
when I was little.
I don't know where you guys went. I wasn't with you.
We always went to a place.
This way, dude.
Probably heading to Tim Hortons.
No, that's too far.
Why? I would want to go there.
You want to go to Timmy's?
Yeah.
And get some donuts?
Mm-hmm.
I didn't bring my wallet. We could go there though.
Yeah. I wish we could get some donuts though.
Well, mommy, we could call mommy and have her come pick us up or get us some donuts.
Yep.
This where you and Graham used to go?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. When Graham used to come over and take you on walks?
Yep.
Would you get in the stroller? Is that when you did it?
And also when she was driving me back.
Here, let's get out and look around. You want to? Okay. I'm going around this way. Nah, I'm not going down there. Snakes down there, frogs.
What's the worry about frogs?
It's too long. We can go this way.
What?
Let's walk over this way.
What did you say? Water frog?
Water goes in there, Steve. See anything in there? Any creatures? No creatures in there? Don't see any. So there's water out here, dude. See it's flowing? You can see it flowing. Alright, ready to go? That's underneath, so you can look down. The water's flowing down there, right? Can you hear it? Yeah, you can see it. And then it flows over here. Watch.
Little creek down here?
Yeah.
Oh. This is cool.
Yep, and see here it flows out. Right here. You can see it flowing out from there. Dang, that's a lot of water down there. There's fish in there, I'm sure.
Yeah.
Turtles, you got pee real bad?
Kinda.
You can go right here.
Right there.
There's people over there. Here, come over here and go. Go right here. Go right there.
Remember what Al did?
Huh?
Remember what Al did?
Do you think you can get across there without getting wet?
Yeah.
Yeah, go for it. I'm staying over here. Rocks are real slippery, so you can't jump on them. You can only step. Nice.
Told you.
Yeah. Yeah, you did. You gonna go see what's up there? Just go to the top of the hill and then come back and tell me what you see. Is there still a trail over there?
Oh, there's a big area back here.
Oh yeah? What's in it?
Just a bunch of plants and stuff.
Oh, alright, let's go.
Coming back.
Hey, someone had some pickles back here or something.
Pickle wickles?
Remember when you come back, those rocks are slippery.
Okay.
You want me to help you or you think you'll be okay?
Probably okay.
Alright, just step softly. You can't jump on them.
Okay.
So go down. Don't touch that rock until you go down first. There you go. Yep, just like that. That's right. Okay, remember this big rock's slippery. Remember you slipped on it? Careful. Don't jump. Just step across. Nice. You did it, bar.
You are.
Hooah! Oh, this way. Ready, dude? Woo! Keep going straight. There you go. We'll just stay on this sidewalk until we get to that main street and then we'll turn left, okay? Actually, let's turn... No, yeah, we'll go straight and turn left. We're going to be on the sidewalk the whole time, so we always want to be on the sidewalk from now on. We're not... Only when we cross the street are we going to be on the street, otherwise we're on sidewalks. So just keep going from sidewalk to sidewalk. Here's another turn to the left. We're going left. You know which way left is? Okay, follow it to the left. Do not go right, go left. There you go. There you go. Now we got a long sidewalk ride.
More like a side ride.
Side ride? It's a sidewalk ride, dude.
No, sidewalk.
Is it Robin? Going uphill a little bit. You tell it's getting harder. You see that crosswalk up there? That's where we're going to cross. Okay, I want you to stop on that pole and press that button. See it? Right here. Okay, slow down. Slow, stop, 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 stop. There we go. I'll do it. You're scaring me. You're scaring me. You're scaring me. Oh, he's waiting for us. Can you go? Go. Turn left, 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 left. Oh, there you go. Noise. Okay, you're gonna have to use your brake going down this hill. Oh, glass? Dang. Hopefully we didn't get a flat tire. Someone broke some glass right there. Okay, use your brake. Slow it down a little bit. You won't have to pedal at all. You're just gonna have to hold your brake a little bit. You know what I'm saying? This is good speed. Don't go faster than this, because there might be cars going across these driveways up here. Okay, we can go across. Let's go. Okay, you can go in front of me. There. Now we can cruise a little bit. You just let it go. Just let it go. Cruise. There's another crossing up here. Oh, there's Mommy. There's Mommy. See this crossing? I'm gonna look behind us. No one behind us. No one to the right. Just go ahead. You can go ahead. Make sure you don't see anybody. If I don't see anybody. You see it? We should go down there. We should go down there and see what's down there, dude. Not today. I can smell it.
Yeah.
Keep going straight. Okay, this is where we have to be really careful, so you have to listen to what I say, all right? This is dangerous, bruh. All these cars. Okay. You need to stop and slow down and let me come in front of you. Okay, stop now and then walk up in front of me. I'm gonna go push the button. You stay, you stop now. You stop, stay there.
What?
Okay, it's gonna be a little bit. Oh look, there's Mommy.
Sunglasses, dude.
He didn't want them. That's what I said. All right, see that light's green? That means these people are gonna go across. When this light turns green and that goes white, we can go. Do you hear me?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's going yellow. That turned red. This is probably gonna turn in a second. Let's watch. Uh-oh, there's a car in our way. We're gonna have to go around that car, okay? We have to go in the front of it.
Why is that car even in the left?
It just didn't park by the line, I don't think. Okay, it's our turn to go. Come on.
What side is on the cross?
Stay with me. Stay with me. Okay, follow me.
They were saying
Stay with me. Follow me.
sorry in the window.
Oh, they were? Oh, that's okay. It happens. It's an accident.
Oh, there's the traffic.
Yeah, look at all that
Good
traffic.
thing we didn't go in the car.
Yeah, that's the good thing about bike rides, dude. No traffic.
Yeah.
Wide open sidewalks.
Okay.
Wide open
Hey,
sidewalks.
isn't this where Dookie City was?
Yeah, we already passed it. It was by the fire station. Remember? Dookie City. Starbucks and Casanos.
And also
All right, we're gonna have to slow down. But wait till I tell you whether we can go or not. Okay? Okay. There's a car over here, so we gotta stop. Stop. Okay, we can go. We can go. Go ahead. Go ahead and go across. Okay, we made it. That was easy.
Yeah.
Thanks for listening to me, dude. You're doing good, bro. Ooh, I smell dookie or something. Did you smell that?
Yeah.
Woo!
I smell pine cones now.
Oh, I smell Burger King. Think that's Burger King?
Oh yeah.
That's Burger King, dude.
I smell burgers.
Okay, we have to stop here again. So,
Wait a minute. That's
hey, I want you to stop right here. Stop right here. Stop right here. Oh, there's no thing, so come up here. Walk up this way.
It's Wendy's actually.
Yeah. All right. This light's gonna turn. This light's gonna turn green, and then we can go. But you need to wait till I tell you, okay? Okay, we can't go yet because they're gonna turn. They're gonna come across and turn. Once they're done, we'll be able to go. See, they have the green arrow. Now it's turning yellow. So these guys are gonna turn, and then this is gonna go white for us. All right. Wait. Okay. Go ahead. Go ahead. Oh, sorry. Shoot. You okay?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Man, all these cars, dude, it's dangerous.
It's actually Wendy's that was smelling.
Hey, did I hurt your elbow?
No.
Sorry, I didn't mean to.
It's only Wendy's were smelling.
Wendy's and Burger King mixed together, I bet.
Yeah. There it is.
Are they open? They're closed? Are they even open?
Hopefully they are.
Can't tell. It looks like no one's here, dude.
Mom's here.
Okay, we're gonna turn down this road here. Go ahead, slow down. You need to slow down to turn. See that gravel? Don't want you to slip on that gravel. I think they're closed. Are they open? I guess they're open. Slow down, dude. Yeah, they're open. Oh, they're all good.
We can stop and look at that blue heron.
We're racing to get back.
Oh, we are? Well, we'll definitely win. Unless we stop and look at that blue
Unless
heron.
there's traffic. No, there's no traffic that way.